name is Wes Craven, and I'm going to be on the Illest rap battle. I've been spitting for about 8-10 years, something like that going on. Record my own music, do my own thing, try and get noticed. Get out there. And I'm going to spit a couple bars for you, just a little verse. If you notice, we all die alone as we walk up on the crossroads. All I really know is I'm damned to be a lost soul. Father, forgive me. Yeah, I try to switch my ways, but it's hard to pray when you don't see no change. Hunger and stress has got me dying inside. I'd rather pop a freaking nine instead of swallow my pride. Am I wrong or am I righteous despite this? I could give a fuck if they like this. This is what my life is. Heartache, bullshit, and hard times. You gotta make it through the rain if you wanna see sunshine. Needle in his vein, half dead on the floor. What's the brightest eye? I ain't saying no more. Even though I'm a man, yo, I wish I could cry. Cause sometimes it's just best to release what's inside. Even though I'm a man, yo, I wish I could cry. Cause sometimes it's just best to release what's inside. That's a little something for y'all out there. My name's Wes Craven. And I'm gonna be in Who's the Illest to find out who really is the illest.